Welcome, my followers. This is your boy JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today, we have the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That's right, we're going to do an unboxing and a quick look at what you're getting for that $1,000. All right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to check it out, and we're going to find out, is this phone worth $1,000? Remember, this is Knoles Cool Stuff. All right, so today we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we are going to do an unboxing and a quick look at what you get for your $1,000. Is this phone worth your $1,000? Your boy JD Knows, just picked it up today here in China. I cashed out about $1,000. All my little Benjamins, bye-bye. Had to save it, but then now it's bye-bye. No more Benjamins in my pocket. But I do have this, the Samsung Galaxy S10, and we are going to unbox it and do a quick look. So let's turn this camera around and see what we get for our $1,000. All right, so as you take a look, this is the box. This is the Galaxy S10 Plus, and you can tell by the color, this is the green model with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. All right, so let's flip this open and open the box. Still breaking. And we take the plastic off. Oh no, can't return it now. Alright, so here is the box. Pretty nice. I like how Samsung is giving colors to this to know you know which color you're getting. So let's open it. Alright, move that off to the side. Open, if it wants to open. Alright, here we go. There is the phone. Alright, so we're going to take the phone out, put it off to the side, and see what's inside the box. Alright, so for a fact, I already know there's something at the bottom. In the bottom, top of this box is your paperwork and your SIM tool ejector. That's it. We don't need to look at it. You know what paperwork looks like. Oh, wait. They got something else in here? Maybe. Let's take a look. Double check. And you get a case. Right, nice little case here. Clear case. With Samsung. And there's that. And your paperwork. All right. I always like when companies give you a free case because they don't have to do it. All right. So let's take a look in here. We have Samsung something. I have no idea what this is. If you know what it is, you let me know. Oh, warranty card probably. Yeah, probably warranty card. All right, so that's probably the warranty card. Showing that you have the Samsung Galaxy S10. Put that to the side. All right, what else are you going to get? You are going to get your charger right here. Samsung charger. All right. Take a look here. This is a charger. You're going to get your adapter. All right. USB to Type-C adapter. You're going to get your power cord here. Yeah, so there's your power cord in here. There you go. There you go. USB to Type-C. And you are going to get some headphones from AKG. All right. That's it. That's everything in the box. All right. Move everything off the side. Now let's take a look at this phone. All right, here we go. You can tell I got the green color. Paperwork there. Now let's take off the plastic. All right. There we go. That's finished. And that's it. Now, it does have a screen protector on the front. So if you don't want to go buy one, you can keep this on. If you don't like it, you can just take it off. Let's power this baby up. That's where it's powered up. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Alright, we will check English. Alright, let's go. Alright, so that is the quick unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus and everything that's inside. Pretty much basic. You get a free case, some headphones, adapters. Alright, but the thing is, let's talk about what is inside the phone and what's on the outside of the phone. Is it actually worth your $1,000? So let's do a quick look at what you're getting for $1,000. Alright, so like I told you, right now I got the green version. It comes in many other colors, which we will talk about. So, is this worth $1,000? So let's do a quick look and figure out, is it worth your money? Is it worth your Benjamins? So, what are you getting for your $1,000 when you pay for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus? Well, on the front, you're going to be getting a Gorilla Glass 6 with a 6.4 Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED. That's a 1440 by 3040 pixel or a 522 ppi density. On the right side of the phone, you have your power button. On the left side of the phone, you have your volume rocker and the Bixby button. The Bixby button is able to be customized to whatever app you want to start with it, unless it's another voice command app. So no Google Assistant with this button. At the bottom of the phone, you'll find your 3.5mm headphone jack. In a world of Bluetooth headphones, Samsung is able to keep the headphone jack. Also at the bottom, you'll find your USB-C connector right there at the bottom, so you get your power. And also your speaker. Alright, you'll also have a dual speaker at the earpiece of the phone to give you stereo speakers. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will be running Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will be running Android 9.0 Pie with One UI on top of it. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will come with a 4100 milliamp battery. It will basically give you an all-day intelligent battery, so you'll never run out of steam. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will come with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, making multitasking a breeze. It will have internal storage of 128 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, with also a micro SD card for 512 GB of extra storage. Okay, so now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus selfie camera. Alright, the first main camera is going to be a 10 megapixel selfie camera with an f1.9 aperture. The second camera is a depth sensor camera, not a wide angle camera. It's only going to come with a f2.2 aperture. Alright, so let's take a look at the main camera. Alright, your main camera is a 12 megapixel wide angle camera with adjustable aperture. Alright, going from 1.5 or 2.4 in the rear lens. Adapts just like your eyes for great shots day or night. Alright, next one is a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture. And the new camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with an f2.2 aperture. The ultrasonic in-display fingerprint ID. Power sharing. Share with a friend. Alright, so that was the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing and a quick look. Now, here's a little tip for all my followers, just in case you don't know. If you're going to drop $1,000 or more on a smartphone, alright, all those little Benjamins, or all those little other money you use in other countries, please take that time and buy yourself a case. Doesn't have to be an expensive case. It can be a cheap case. As long as when you drop that phone, it doesn't get all those cracks on it. I see way too many people out there with a cracked up phone. Alright? Crack is bad on a phone. Alright, so if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, like button. Hit the bell for notification for new videos from Knoles CoolStuff. And if you're not a subscriber already, hit the subscribe button, because we got some exciting new videos coming up soon, but I can't tell you because it's a secret. Alright, so as always, my followers, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, be cool.